Good afternoon. I'm on site here at Embedded World 2022, and joining me today is Marko Hepp, the Business Development Manager and Key Account Manager for Sales Europe. So thank you very much for joining me today. Now to start with, could you walk us through some of the major technologies that Broadcom are focused on, particularly its embedded technologies and integrated circuits?
Putting a focus on the position sensing, it's definitely optical position sensing. This is our, let's say, technology from the first days, but also now more and more growing is the magnetic position sensing technology, typically Hall-based technology.
Okay, fantastic, thank you. And I understand that Broadcom's technology is largely focused on position sensing, as you've said, owing to the company's motion control encoders. So could you explain what is meant by motion control encoders and what some of their core applications and suitable areas of industry are?
Motion control, you could consider almost everything that is moving, from a very small insulin pump up to a big elevator or a crane or a robot, a cobot. Anything that is moving needs some position sensing, from lab automation really to big things that move by electric or even pneumatic or hydraulic power.
Yeah, okay, fantastic. And off the back of that last question, would you like to explain the roots of Broadcom in encoders and position sensing?
Yeah, actually our roots really go down in the old days of the Silicon Valley. Talking about Broadcom and Avago Technologies, Agilent, Hewlett-Packard, we have a long-term history, and the Silicon Valley was also with computers, starting with printers, and printers need position sensing. Very simple, but at the end, a very important, precise application already.
Excellent. What do you feel are some of the key qualities of Broadcom's components?
Yes, I think the quality and the proven and reliable technology, this is very important. That means we are considering a high quality, high availability, good robustness for our products.
Okay, excellent. And what are some of the trends that you're currently seeing in the markets that you work in?
One big trend is definitely energy harvesting, because it is a technology that is, with more than 1 million pieces already proven, very reliable and very efficient, because the energy that is used for counting is built when it's moved. So you don't need a battery, you don't need a big gear stage, you can make things smaller, very efficient. Also a very important trend is functional safety, meaning systems need to be able to detect or diagnosis, you need to extend technology. So those are the things, as well as higher integration and easier use for the application engineers. That's also getting more and more important.
Yeah, brilliant. So does Broadcom have any upcoming planned or simply new products that you'd like to share?
Definitely some new products. For example, our AR25. This is an absolute optical encoder with a very high resolution and the direct interfaceability with energy harvesting. So this is a tailor-made solution, scalable, very interesting. Another one on the optical incremental side is the ADR 9920, what is a single track incremental solution with an embedded index that makes the system half of the size of classic systems. So you can make things much smaller, especially if it goes into applications that need to be very small, light, or even portable. And on the magnetic side, the AET 9950 and the dual chip version, the 9966. Those magnetic encoder products are functional safety capable, what is very important, but the performance on chip, including on chip calibration and presetting, does make a big difference.
Some exciting products then. So finally, what is on your roadmap and what will the future bring from Broadcom?
I think on the roadmap is important is standard. So you need to be accessible, you need higher bandwidth, more flexibility, this is definitely important, a higher integration, but on the other hand, you need to make it easier to the users. The development teams are under high pressure, they have a short time to market, so they need to be able to, from first idea to final product implementation, save time and resources. I think that's one of the important things. Functional safety, condition monitoring, combination of sensors, I think this is one of the bigger stories that we are already going into.
Yeah, exciting space to be working in. I look forward to see what you bring to the future. So yeah, thank you very much for your time today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you.